Looking for a refreshing and healthy snack? Imagine a bite-sized treat that's cool as a cucumber, literally. Today we're diving into a simple yet sophisticated recipe, cucumber bites. First up, gather all the ingredients. These little delights require only a handful of items. Some fresh, crisp cucumbers, your choice of cream cheese or goat cheese, and a selection of garnishes. Our favorites include aromatic herbs, smoked salmon, and sun-dried tomatoes. But don't be afraid to get creative. The world of garnishes is as vast as your imagination. Start by slicing the cucumbers. Aim for about 1/2 inch thickness, thick enough to provide a crunch, yet thin enough to make for an easy bite. Now, spread a layer of your chosen cheese onto each cucumber slice. The creaminess of the cheese beautifully balances the crispness of the cucumber. Next, it's time for the fun part, garnishing. Sprinkle some finely chopped herbs for a refreshing twist. If you're a fan of seafood, a small piece of smoked salmon on top adds a luxurious touch. For a Mediterranean vibe, try some sun-dried tomatoes. Remember, there are no rules. Mix and match to your heart's desire. And there you have it. Cucumber bites. A snack that's as fun to make as it is to eat. But these are not just tasty treats. They are also a powerhouse of nutrition. Cucumbers are hydrating and packed with vitamins. The cheese adds a dose of protein, while the garnishes bring their own set of health benefits. Not to mention, these bites are low in calories and carbs, making them a guilt-free indulgence. In a nutshell, cucumber bites are the perfect blend of health and flavor. They're quick to whip up, easy to customize, and sure to impress. Whether you're throwing a party or just want a fancy afternoon snack, these bites are a refreshing change from the usual. So why not give this recipe a shot? Who knows? It might just become your new favorite snack. After all, good things do come in small packages, especially when they're as delicious as these cucumber bites.